Papa and Mama, they fight for the compensation of their son's death. Yes, my people, what's up, everyone? Yeah, we're back again. This is Naija Watch. We're back again with the latest information for you guys. We have some breaking news. We have some trending news. We have some entertaining news for you all. Right, what's up, my people? We don't come again. This one, another breaking news for Una. We'll all go straight to the point. I hope you guys are having a wonderful April. I wish you all a wonderful April. April should be a better month than every other month that have passed by. In the mighty name of the Lord Jesus Christ. Okay, guys, we got to move on right now. So now remember, say the NSAS while away past that year, it get one of our brother where a police will drink, not be small, say in key, he say mistakenly kill him. He mistakenly pull the trigger. That our brother that time, he can't die. He named now Friday Arunsi. You know, so but the funny part of everything now, you know, I know say it does still taste more now whether answers while it happen. Now there's a compensation that's supposed to go to the family right now. Guess what, my people? What a life. Right now, the family of Friday Arunsi is fighting for who to take the compensation. The money where they want give, they want pay out for the death of Friday Arunsi. Papa and Mama all are fighting for the money. Now me go take the money. Now me go take the money. Now me supposed to take the money. Now me look after this child. Now me carry this child for 9 months. The other one say now me pay the child school fees. They are fighting for the compensation of Friday Arunsi. What a life. For me, I don't know what you guys are going to learn from this. You know, we all know that we have just one life to live, but I'm not sure what you want to learn from this. The person, the late Friday Arunsi, that the family is supposed to be mourning by now. In fact, they're supposed to mourn that child forever. They are fighting for who to take the compensation. It's a very pathetic one. You want to see it for screen? You can read it yourself and also see the reaction of our people. Nigerians reacted to this. A lot of Nigerians were disappointed. In fact, I want you guys to read this yourself. Anyway, when I see the comments from Nigerians, one particular comment from Susie Sen said, "They are alive now, people they remember. Now they are dragging his money like Tiger generation." Yes, it's very painful. Now they are alive now, people they remember. You know, another comment for yes say that boy would be disappointed in his grave. One comment here from our brother Franklin said, "Greedy people who are clearly interested in personal monetary gains. What a shame." Yes, what a shame. my people, we got to move on. We get more story for now today. We just say make we bring that one to your screen. This one, this one I concern Davido. I don't say this Davido and Chioma matter. Don't they go for long now? Not be small thing, no. Davido matter, you know. This one, now love, you know, love way we know. In fact, I don't know the one I want to explain now. I don't say recently. Davido, they say with one new girl, we end up put for it all day everywhere. They see them whether they, you know, that they carry their mat, they gum each other and all that. They don't first see them before with Davido. They drag her, they follow left and right, they go. But that time, the formation was not that setting at that time. But now, nobody go fit talk now, say information not this setting, where you can't see two men, they gum each other, they gum each other, they gum each other. You know, the one enter inside there, you understand me? So now, Davido don't look left, he don't look right. Because I beg, I cannot feel hide them again, make I just come show to the whole world, make them see, I'm currently in love with someone else. Main situation now. We did this whole matter now. Now be Nigerians' reaction. I don't say Nigerians they get the way they react for matter. They all look at, you know, because Buhari talk about that. I say we be lazy youth. Sometimes you go they look and say, are we really a lazy youth? Eh? Matter we all come like this. We go carry am, we go drag am, we go vandalize am, we go finish am. Social media go dey hot. My people, the reaction of Nigerians on this social media now, this one go surprise you now. Meanwhile, I go one of our sister like that constantly talk for this matter. This one a Blessing CEO that they call him. The video make I plan for now. From there, I go see the reaction of Nigerians on social media. Waiting concern this that video. Chioma who break person heart, who use hammer take break person heart, who want use gun break person heart. In fact, who intend to break somebody's heart. So we can hear waiting. Nigerians go talk after when I watch this video where I will play for now. So from our sister Blessing CEO.
So this trending issue about Chioma and Davido, let me enter the matter. I'm not entering the matter not because I cannot mind my business, but because Davido and Chioma are both celebrities and they are role models to a lot of people. I'm seeing a lot of things flying on the social media and I cannot even hold my peace anymore. I said, let me give my own 2 cents. Now, the problem with the common Nigerians is that we are not factual. We lie to ourselves. And the point is that we are not historical. We do not go back to history. We only want to work with the trends and the moments. Everybody shouting women, supporting women. What Davido did to Chioma? What did Davido do to Chioma? The question is, what did Davido do to Chioma? Let's be honest. Davido did absolutely nothing wrong to Chioma. Chioma knew who Davido was before she got into the relationship. Yes, there were other women who suffered the same thing that Chioma was suffering. What was Chioma thinking when she was getting into the relationship? That's the point. Who do you actually think you are when you get into this kind of relationship? The question is, what were you all thinking? What happened to the other women in Davido's lives? They were not beautiful enough. They didn't have good shape enough. Now, the point is, many of you always forget this. And this story between Davido and Chioma is a very relatable story that happens to every one of us. You get into people's life. You don't care what happened to their past. You don't care how they treated the other women in their life. You come into the relationship, you balance and begin to feel special, right? You don't care. You don't give a fuck, right? You always forget. Now, the same came when they use flop first wife. Then they go use flop second wife. Why are we all mourning? Why are we all crying? Why are we all making it look as if Davido did something wrong? Davido is living his normal lifestyle. Davido, if this is his lifestyle as a celebrity, yes, he's going to have flocks of girlfriends. He's going to have flocks of kids. So when you're getting into Davido's life, you should not be expecting to be treated special. So I don't know why the Nigerians are crying, because other women have also tested this same bitter pill that Chioma is going through. So what is it with justice for Chioma? I see a lot of hashtags and people insulting people that are supporting Davido. I don't just get it. I don't understand that particular thing. What did Davido do? He paid Chioma's bride price. He promised Chioma marriage. He promised Chioma, he used that to sing Chioma my lover. And so, Chioma knew that he had tons of baby mama. Why wasn't she smart enough to put her feet to the ground before getting pregnant? Knowing that this same artist has a history. Why did she not say, no, I'm not going to get pregnant for you until you pay my bride price, because you have a history? What made her think she was going to perform magic? He has impregnated every other woman. So what's the problem? The fact was that she wasn't smart enough to put her feet to the ground. And can I shock you? Even if Davido had married Chioma, Davido would have still done what he was supposed to do. Him marrying Chioma does not stop him from having other children or having other girlfriends. So what's the fuse? A lot of married men are cheating. Why is Davido's own a problem? Is it because they're celeb? That's what I'm still trying to understand. Let us learn to be factual, because this thing happening between Chioma and Davido is a relatable story that happens to a lot of people. When you see people have a history, I have said it before, learn to take what is called a conscious decision than a deliberate mistake. Take a conscious decision. When you're going into people like Davido's life, you should understand that, don't go and hold marriage. This guy is somebody that a lot of girls want. He's an artist. Even if Davido don't want girls, a lot of girls want him. It's not only you that is on the plate. A lot of girls are dragging this guy. A lot of girls want to have kids for Davido for free. So when you are getting involved with somebody like Davido, you should know that those things are going to happen. You prepare your mind. So I don't understand what the problem is. I don't know why people are dragging. Allow us be, I beg. These things are normal stuff. Davido is not the first person to have engaged somebody and have another girlfriend. I beg, make the guy rest. That's my own. Enough of the pity party for the women supporting women and women. If you want to support a woman, tell women to actually put their foot down before getting pregnant. Yes, let them put their foot down. Tell a man to go and marry before you carry belle for him. Not when you don't carry belle for him, you're not going to be doing pity party for us. Please allow us be. If you want to get pregnant for a man or you want to have kids for a man, have it consciously and say, okay, I want to have kids for a man. Not after having kids for a man, you will now come and start expecting marriage. What else do you expect? Once you have a child for a man, what are you expecting again? So I don't understand. It's as if we Nigerians keep encouraging things that don't have sense. I'm not saying having kids is bad, but I'm trying to stop making it look as if somebody killed somebody. I bet may everybody rest, may everybody go do alright last. Which of God be justice for Chioma? Justice? Person die. Who died? She has a beautiful bouncing baby boy. She's a beautiful woman. She can pick up her life. If I'm making it look as if her life is tied to Davido, justice for Chioma, how? Marriage na by force. If the guy say no do it, the man free the guy now. Sure. You can't force him to marry the girl if he says he doesn't want to marry or he has other things. I don't know what caused their misunderstanding. But can you allow these people be? If their relationship did not work, let everybody tell you guys, keep your relationship private. You will not hear. Keep it to yourself. You will not hear. All of you want to flaunt it on social media. This is the implication of flaunting relationship on social media. And that's the reason why Chioma is suffering it now. It's all the flaunting and Chioma my lover everywhere. That is what is bringing all this unnecessary drama to her. If she had kept this relationship private and we didn't even know what was happening between her and Davido, and they had broken up, we wouldn't even know what transpired between the both of them. But they came and did public display, Chioma my lover. They did not allow us to hear what if I ever leave. These are the implications of public display. So I keep saying it, keep your relationship private so that when things like this happen, you will know how to manage. People will not come and be adding their jatty mouth inside your relationship. Anyways, with this few point of mine, so let me add my own 2 cents for those of you that want to be doing women supporting women. If you're supporting women, support the right thing. Support the right thing. Don't get pregnant out of wedlock. If you must get pregnant out of wedlock, make sure that it is your decision. That's what you want. It's not about getting pregnant. You come and start forming pity party for us. Please don't disturb us. We have a lot of things to take care of. We, the Instagram in-laws, we have a lot of relationship issues on social media to handle. So let's stop dragging this particular one, please. Let's call a spade, okay? So this is my own 2 cents on this. I wish Chioma luck. She's a beautiful woman. She'll pick up her life. She's a very good brand influencer. Good luck to her. I wish Davido luck. If he wants to get 25 more girlfriends, that one is his business, so long as he can train all of them. You said that he's talking. If they give you opportunity to say, you go and knock Davido and carry belle for him. Madam, women supporting women. Davido is a national cake, so everybody is share the national moemue. When you're dating people like Davido, artists, the national moemue, everybody go cut their own share. So that's the cocoa. Don't go and come and start stressing yourself and come and start stressing us. So I don't talk my own finish. I didn't walk out they go. If you not like, make una come drag me for this post. Trust me, I don't tell me I be weary. Drag me, I drag you back. Exactly. Close your leg. If you want a man to marry you, close your leg. Let him pay your bride price. Close your leg.
Yes, so that one a blessing. See you. Now enjoy, vandalize that video like that. So everything when she talk, if any of you when they watch this video, so if you agree with her, wanna leave her for the comment section. If you see disagree with her, leave her for the comment section. Every opinion is welcome on this platform. But meanwhile, Nigerians reacted to this whole thing. What concern Davido, so Davido baby mama, prospective baby mama, current baby mama, and all baby mamas. So I want make una see what many of them can't talk for here, because many comment there here. Like this one say, Blibli say, Well said, my dear. Davido is not owing anyone because Chioma knew that Davido already got baby mama before she came into the picture. So you all should free Davido as Chioma move on. You are a young lady. You know, that one say, make Chioma move on. You say you be young lady. You know, if you go kill yourself, you know, and not be only you start out to be baby mama. Now, so that one talk more. So make we take from there. We still get more comment for here. Many comment there. You know, we get another comment for now from Inshire Idubusi. He says, seems like this particular person in this video has been bitter because of Chioma Davido. You know, she's right, but sounds more happy than being real. Anyways, the so-called Chioma isn't even bothered, and I don't think she's the one asking for a pitying party on her behalf. All of you should rest, I beg. That one from Idibusi. Now he talk that one. We can still get another one from Edna Opong. He says Chioma was there before all these women, but still gave him another chance, hoping he will be the man as he promised. But unfortunately, he went back to his old behavior again by having another baby mama or another baby with another lady. You know, and Chioma ended it last year, October. So please don't attack her. Okay, we move on. We get another one again from here. You know, this one are palms. You say, true talk, my dear. This is bitter truth. Exactly what I told my son this morning when we were talking about this issue. Chioma knew Davido is a public figure. She saw and knew he has baby mamas, yet she accepted him. So why the complaints now? I beg blessing. God bless you, Jare. Now see that one from Pam. You know, and I see more comment for here from Vivian. Vivian say, I don't know why in this part of the world women are blamed for their men infidelity. You know, in fact, make una read more comment. There are many more comment here. Why I want make una go through. As I don't go through, we go take them from there, my people. Una know say this Davido and Chioma situation, it don't get as it be, you know, for a very long time now. Chioma be hoping that she's gonna be the wife, while many other girls there are working at a skater. They are working hard, you know, to make sure saying that they are turn to be the wife of Davido. In fact, the surprising part now, say mothers are not even going extra miles to work with their daughters to make sure say they succeed with rich men. Yes, now what did they happen with for Nigeria with that too? If your cash girl now say you they do well, and at the end of the day, mama go join up, go left and right to make sure say they don't hook you, so you can't become their husband. So as it be, so we go move on. We get many topics for now. More not gonna sleep here today. As we talk there are more topics for now today. But more you have to take them one by one. This one our brother, UFC middleweight champion Israel Adesanya. You know, I not say Israel Adesanya na blow. Now they do for a living. Now they fight. When they gain money, so the guy get money not be small. You know, he just surprised the father with a brand new Bentley. You know, so during the time when Papa they look phone, they admire car. You don't know say picking day back they record them, see wetin they admire, and can go surprise the Papa. You know, come buy a brand new Bentley. You know, many people still react for this one. Some people say, at least it's good. Not the only mother that they remember all the time. For Papa and Mama is supposed to be equal and all that. But they forget, say, this same, our brother don't first buy a Porsche Jeep, buy for his mama before. We go show all of them for this video. You understand? You know, the basic truth for this kind of video now, I be say, let every mother's, fathers, every parent to live and enjoy the fruit of their labor. You understand? You know, because if person born, your pikin can't remember you. It's a good thing. Some people they have been unlucky to born, get pikin, get that one. At the end, their children don't know whether the papa they exist or the mama they exist. So it's a good thing for person to get children we go remember you for good. In fact, we could watch this one. We could take out from them. see am, na good thing. Una see the smile wey dey papa face, na so e suppose make life be. May we all live to enjoy the fruit of our labors. Yes, una see, I say me una still see the video when you don't first take buy Porsche Jeep for your own mama as well. Make una see this video. Beautiful. It's a good thing for you to live to enjoy the fruit of your labor. Once again, we all will live to enjoy the fruit of our labor in Jesus' name. Amen. We got to move on right now, my lovely people. Yes, we have another news for you here from Ned Nwoko. Yes, Ned, as I know, say Ned na Regina Daniel's husband. Ned get many women, not be small. But recently, just a few days ago, Income Contour say marrying more than one wife is saving the economy. Businessman Ned Nwoko, now he talk this one. He say marrying more than one wife is saving the business economy. I don't know how that one take Nwoko. And Ned Nwoko, billionaire husband of Nollywood actress Regina Daniel, has explained why he has more than one wife and prefers to marry young women. You know, in interview with BBC Igbo, you know, the billionaire politician explained the economical reason behind his choice of polygamy. According to him, the average Northerners has at least 2 wives, which he argued helps the society by preventing the women from being promiscuous. You know, his statement now, he said the average Northerners marrying 2, 3, 4 women, they are helping the society because it is the economic downturn that has affected so many women who you see doing prostitution and all that. But the fallacy of it or all is the Christianity does not is that Christianity does not allow that in the South, and yet the average Southerner man has 10 girlfriends. He also said the polygamist nature of Northerners has helped to increase their population and made them the majority. Now hear that? Having more girlfriends, more children, more wives, now make Northerners the majority with the year. Wow. That majority with the year. See, Northerners are majority. This one minority. He get as he be. Anyway, let's continue. Nwoko also complained about how enlightenment has encouraged monogamy, even though it is not our culture. I love my culture as I know it, not as they are trying to dilute it. Igbo culture is wonderful and should be promoted the way it has always been. But even looking at that, look at your population in Nigeria and what I will call economy of marriage. As an Igbo man with 1 wife, 4 children, a Northerner has 4 wives with 5 children each. That means, God, in the next 10 years, 20 years, imagine the population of the Northerners. Wow. How many of you agree with this? As you can read that on the screen by yourself. How many of you agree with Ned Nwoko, the husband of Nollywood actress Regina Daniel? As I know, say, in like children. Sorry, not be children. In like young ladies to marry. He say, in the talk before in the past, say, I've seen they marry young ladies, they make it blood, they shine. You know, not saying a billionaire, anything you want. If you wake up today, say you need G-Wagon, go get and go get you 2. If you say you want to enter private jet, you want to go do shopping for Los Angeles and come back the next day, a private jet day there, you get everything. So every young ladies, many young ladies, or most young ladies are on the queue hoping for someone like Ned to come talk to them, say, be my wife. I see the power of money. But for me, if you agree with him that having more than one wife help the economy, help you as a man, you know, then leave in the comment section. If you also think, say, no, I don't agree with this man, or what is he talking about? You know, how can you say marry more than one wife and this are still leave in the comment section? But remember, say, we have lots of responses from our Nigerians. And I'm not saying when it comes to this kind of matter, Nigerians cannot be left out. They reacted to it. You know, in fact, the vandalizer for comment section. In fact, make una see the comment with Nigerians leave for this particular need matter. So make we look out together. The comment section now we did so. We get the first comment for here. Where it comes from Crown Wet. He say, "Is that why you are marrying your grandchildren?" That one, you know, I don't know the way I want to talk for that one. No, we get another one for here from Mr. President. He say polygamy causes a lot of strife. Avoid it if you can. Nothing beats peace of mind. We get another one for here. This one is Sir Eti. He said in one of his interview, he said he can't be with one woman because women are everywhere. He's not doing it to save the economy. He's doing it because he loves it and can't be with one woman. He said for a previous interview, waiting he talk for there. It's different from this one when he can't tell BBC Igbo. So, now this Sir Eti they talk. So, but meanwhile, make we move on the go because we get more comment where people talk for this matter. I not say when you don't come to Nigerians like this, they not use all this kind of matter. They follow anybody they play. We got another for here now. The big Willie say, how do people write wrong things in such a good and convincing manner that they tend to make you think again that they might be correct? You know, we got another one for here. This one, Constant Talk. This one are from Com 3333. He said, this life, just make money, sha. If na broke man talk this one now, comment section go mad. Me say, if rich man talk, everybody they agree. If poor man talk, you can't slap where you go fair get for your back here. You go know say you're not supposed to talk for some kind matter where they trend. You know, anyway, we still get another comment for here. This one now from the king. He say he's got the money. That's what is more important because left to me, he can marry as many as he wants because he's capable. Poor men don't even deserve one wife. Maybe girlfriend, but not a wife. Oh my God. Oh my God. Now you see that commenter talk. He say poor men don't deserve one wife. He say maybe girlfriend, yes, but wife, no. My shock now. Do you know that many poor men, their wives are so beautiful? In fact, many poor men, their women, they make them they happy more than these so-called rich men. Not all, I say some and many. Not all. But I disagree with that last comment though. I disagree with that. But make we move on. We still get another comment here for now. We get another women. He say when you are doing something that seems uncomfortable to the society, you get validation for it by all means. You will even go to the extent of getting stupid facts to back it up. And a woman. Now he talk that one. You know, we can still get another comment for here. This one are from Fresh Day. He say, marry more, we always congratulate you online. He no cuckoo consign us. I saw that one talk more. My people, I can't say make we carry this matter more can give on. And so we say and reach for today. As I know, say as they come to us, and so they carry and give on. Thank you very much, everybody. I really appreciate your time with us. Please, if you know, say you like what they do, subscribe to our channel. We try. We are not perfect. We are just trying. We try our possible best to bring important entertainment to your screen. Please appreciate us by hitting a like button, the thumbs up, that thumbs up. So hit them, you know, they encourage us. Share our videos, they encourage us as well to see our videos in other people's platform, knowing that not that we share and go there, it means that people now they appreciate us. Subscribe to our channel so that the family will keep getting bigger and bigger. You know, we appreciate every one of you. Don't forget to click the notification button whenever we upload a video or whenever we're on live like this. Then you'll be notified rather than being told. I appreciate every one of you. Now God now go help us. Bless all of you now as you take the assist and support us. All on our encouragement, we appreciate it. On our consistency, we appreciate them. In fact, on our feedback, any kind of comment you leave for our comment section, we appreciate them because some of feedback we look and we review and we say, okay, we'll not do this thing, we won't do them again like this because nobody is perfect. Thank you, my people. God bless you all. Take care and have a blessed and a wonderful Easter.
Hello Nigerians, hello ladies.
Hello my fans and the good people out there. Keep watching.
Keep watching it. What's up?
Naija Watch.
Naija Watch.